Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by backing up essential data, then focus on the sensor and prints. First, clean the sensor with 70% alcohol and dry it. This removes oils that confuse recognition. Next, go to Settings, Security, Fingerprint, and delete all enrolled prints so you start fresh. Once done, reboot the phone to ensure no background process interferes. After reboot, return directly to the fingerprint enrollment screen. Do not open apps to begin accurate re-registration. Now you re-enroll the fingerprint, and you must be methodical. Enroll 2 to 3 prints for the same finger, deliberately changing angle each time between 0 and about 45 degrees. This teaches the sensor variations. Use moderate, consistent pressure. Capture the pad, tip, and edges. Make sure ambient temperature is stable, and if you use a thick screen protector or case that shifts finger placement, remove it. Once several prints are saved, test unlock repeatedly to confirm reliability. Finish by updating the system software. Go to About, System Update, and install any patch because firmware often fixes sensor issues. If problems persist, clear the fingerprint or biometric service cache in apps, or remove all biometric data and re-register following the earlier method. If the sensor still fails, consider a factory reset, but back up everything first since this wipes data. One troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, test with another finger and check for physical damage. Hardware repair may be required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.